Thank you, ma'am. You're so nice and kind. Your phone. Pull up it. Your phone, please. Oh, you have it up?
I get
Can't see your comments.
I get them.
Good night, beautiful people. Kings and queens, what a guan. How you guys doing? Hello.
Big up, big up, big up.
Big up, big up. Yes, here we go again with Vanilla sitting low. Yeah. Wagwan,
My
come
preference
in.
still.
Come in, come on in. Welcome, welcome. Good Wednesday night. We come for chat up the things them. Yes. We come for chat up the things. No holding back. No letting go. No holding back. Because you are my lady. When I'm with you is all I got. Me don't know it. That's the chorus, me know, yeah? So what go on, everybody good? Everybody good? Don't be afraid to come in. Click in. Yes. To all the silent listeners.
Come
big
make
up
a
on
chat.
yourself.
That's right.
Big up on yourself. Happy Wednesday again to my beautiful kings and queens. Them. Yeah. Yeah. Vanilla play with the phone so I can't get to see on a comment for big or no up.
I try to unblock somebody.
Oh yeah, try unblock. Somebody get blocked?
Yeah.
I would end up on where page make them block, but we block them.
I don't know.
Lord Jesus. I want to be careful.
I don't know what you do, you know.
Me tell you to be careful with enough fingers, you know. Yeah, no make enough fingers give you no trouble. Yes, because when we're going for keep like a black party, you know, man. Yes.
We keep a black party.
We keep a black party in a vanilla and I, you know, man. Yes, champagne and all. Yes, man. We cement them. So be careful. If you don't want to stay away, be careful. You hear me? Let me get that. Oh, that's what I need for low. Hold on, the people. Let me fix it real quick. Why not go down? Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes. We'll come back. So I see the title, you know, so I don't wait for no crowd. I just get to the thing and done. Kind of that me the pan so far. Right? I want that pan side.
Somebody wants to
Oh,
join our
somebody.
live?
No, you have to call. That's the only way we're taking somebody on the live. We're only taking people on the live one time. We're scheduled for taking people on the live. You understand? When I just go ahead and take in people on the live. No offense. But if you want to come in on the live, you have to make it know in advance. So we can set it up for you coming on the live. You understand? But you can always call. Yeah, the number pin in the comment. If there's something you want to say, feel free to call. Alright? But we're now going to do the split screen. Yeah. So the thing set. So where may begin? I want to see the topic. Alright, I could start off with the marriage thing. Alright, so I'm on social media and I follow Cora Obidi. You guys must know because this married thing I go on. I mean, they are forgetting her human business, fear business, a fear business. You understand? Me they have to talk to people them when me say I make some kind of comments. You have people where me comment and I say they not go bother get married because of what happened to Cora Obidi. Really? Or they not gonna get married because of that? So, she did marry to fool her husband? Eh? And that I want to ask. Me think say for her husband she married to. People, you don't need to stop it. You don't need to really stop it. You don't need to stop look on people on social media and try to emulate them lifestyle. You hear me? Because, first of all, when you're in a marriage and you come on social media, you're not going to bring the quarrel come on social media. You're not going to bring whatever I want in your marriage on social media. You are going to want to show the best. The best part of your marriage. You understand me? No marriage not perfect. Me not care who no see on social media. Right? And I say, oh, he's the best husband. She's the best wife. Them argue. Them have disagreement because you're two different people. You're gonna clash. So you're gonna tell me now because Cora and Fear husband no work out, you no want married again? Eh? What the hell wrong with you? Eh? Me no want nobody come here and come talk about say. They want their marriage to be like chocolate marriage. You understand? Create your own marriage. Do what's perfect for you. You
It's
understand
your
me?
life. It's your life. You have to do what's best for you. You can't expect to see somebody else and say, oh, I want the marriage just like that. You don't know what's going on in the background.
Right.
You don't know what them go through behind closed doors.
People
You
are going
don't
like
know.
they want to kill themselves. Merciful God. I saw somehow on a woman state watch all the soap opera them and then on a turn around and want after argument on a husband for buy flowers and bring it to for makeup so you can post it on social media. One of know damn well say a Jamaica will come from a man now go buy no damn flowers and then it turn big argument now. One want him to do go in a people yard go cut down them flowers and bring it come you know. So no can set you up in a one nice vase and post it and show no friend my husband buy me these flowers and that flower. You no need to tap watch people life and tap try to make through no marriage the same way you see other people marriage is. Next thing you want to, oh honey, we need to go up on Blue Mountain and spread out a blanket and watch the stars and the moon. And you know so Jamaican man not in that. And you know so they not get up and go spread no blanket and watch no moon. What wrong with you now? Because I see it on soap opera.
Watch no moon and stars and...
Honey, let's go to the museum tonight, hon. Let's go look at the beautiful artwork on the wall. Which Jamaican man you gonna tell that one? You better you tell him man say come make a good on a jerky, go buy 2 pounds of pork and sit down out there and yam with 1 slice of bread. At them the same thing there.
Better you tell him for bringing for some ice cream.
You know what I mean? Wanna get up and want and create them fantasy world. People them boy pick me. Me and I call pass some on no queens tonight. You don't know I told me a talk. You don't have a look a car already. A man have a little car. But because I watch pan internet see people I get surprised with car. On the top naggy man. Me want you buy me 1 car. Me want you come up on my job and deliver it to me. Yes.
We want big boy.
We want big boy.
Penny.
And me become I want all of me co-worker them to see me.
To see me.
Yes,
Yeah.
man, I want them to see me. Don't bring me upon a rotted internet, Michael, and surprise me with no damn car. You hear me? Yeah. Don't do it. Those are not reality people. People put out what they want you guys to see. You understand? Top tell the people them boy pick me, but on a need to go out a door, on a no say dopey out a door, want him people them boy pick me go spread blanket and look up in the sky and pay attention to full moon. Look how much time we see full moon. Because now watch these rotted soap opera and sing thing, on a want 20 people them boy pick me in a war. Eh? One turn.
You can sit down outside and see the moon. You don't have to go to no special
When
place.
since we can't sit down on veranda and look up look
it.
on the moon out there, why we have to go play, spread a nicest blanket where we have in a rotted house out there? If your hands take you up, just because you want to take a video of it, in here and post it, me and my baby watching the moon. You don't know so when I watch moon, cause we no white. Sorry, Vanilla.
Me not watch moon either.
Oh, you don't watch.
The moon comes, the moon goes.
Eh? What wrong with you now?
Me not watch the stars neither.
Eh? Me you argue, say you need to bring me home a nice big bouquet of rose. Now one day man say, come off of my phone, man. Take your RC off of my phone. Where you come to me with them foolishness there? We can't buy pound and half a chicken back and 2 pounds of flour and cook. And we make up.
And
we make up last night. We have good sex last night. Where you want me bring home flowers for? And them I go dead. Eh? What you want? And you know so we stress for money.
But the flowers are dead in 2.5 seconds.
Eh? One on the top watching people them on internet and think say a real thing. Eh? You think say she and her husband are going to come up the big old fight pan internet? You think me and Mike are going to come out here and how me terrible when me vex? He might go on this a life turn on. First of all, even if you don't see people argue, couple argue on the internet, they know what they are going to say.
And it's not to the full extent they would if they weren't on the internet.
And not to the full extent as if a camera name did it. You understand?
Then we go pick and choose them words.
Yeah. Yeah. Because first of all, me go say to Mike, you know what I mean? When me vex, how for girl pick me you want to talk to sir? Eh? How for girl pick me you want to talk to sir? Eh? Why? Yeah. Me now hold my mouth and sit down and be like, me a chat back. Me a chat back. Me a chat back. As long as him a chat, me a chat back. Yes. Sometimes we're not in a mood for chat back. You know what I mean? Because you're there with him for almost 30 years now. So sometimes you know when to follow up. You understand?
And sometimes you just can't help yourself.
And sometimes me just want to follow up. Me want to win the one. You hear me? And when the camera go there for me, not go win. Because I know someone look for me. So certain things me don't say if the camera, as if the camera off. You understand? You have to know what's real and what's fake. Oh, I thought real life in a fairy tale. What wrong with you now? Yeah? Me not coming pan here with Mike. And but we are going to spread no blanket. And we are going to have picnic. You understand? Me not do no damn picnic. Me do cook out. We can go light a damn grill in our backyard.
Yeah.
And we can blaze it up. You understand?
And sit down in some chairs and them.
Yeah. But we're not going back there with no damn blanket and basket. With no grapes in there and wine.
And strawberry.
So please, honor. For no look for me and say I want to have a marriage like that. Yeah. Whenever in popping, I want to see. Great. It's a great husband, me not gonna lie. But me not come paint no fairy tale to honor. I'm not doing it. You understand? Not do it.
Every relationship has their ups and downs.
On the top it. People are talking about them not going married again. Me no know Sakura husband and for them husband. Jesus Christ. Me no know. Me no know. People are not mad. Oh no mad, on the top it. Yes. Wanna stop it. I'm not, certain things I'm not doing. Because in my culture, I'm not come here. Come take over other people's culture and do certain things. You understand me? If a Valentine's, I might go and bring me some flowers, and bring me some flowers. If I just want to surprise me with some flowers, and bring me some flowers. If I'm a birthday, me not have to run for your rotted camera and show no say, and bring me flowers. No, me not have to do that.
Yeah, guess what happened? I'm going to dead anyway.
You don't understand? Because first of all, you know what I'm saying? If a surprise, oh, a camera roll. If a surprise. And that me always wonder when time I see all some of them fake shit. Me like, how comes a surprise?
And the camera
roll and you can clearly see. So on a plan. You understand? People be smart. Be smart. There's no such thing as perfect. My marriage is perfect for me. It no mean it gonna be perfect for you. It no mean your marriage are gonna perfect for me because I'm not you. You understand what I'm saying?
And you can't judge what happened with him. Means say, if them argue, whatever, if say he did something to her, you can't assume that your husband is going to do the same thing to you.
When I mean that, like me say, I'm not there forgetting no detail our life. I don't know what happened. I just go off of the comment, you know, me see people and make like they want to kill themselves. Like them life over. Like the world end. People get divorced all the time. People mash up all the time. Come on, people. Jesus, look how much husband Elizabeth Taylor have. We a bigger celebrity than that. Come on, Tappy. Stop it.
Yeah.
Pray that them unite because they love them together. What about that? But top on not married, on not engaged, on no nobody in their life. Me no know say fear life and feel no life. On cut it out. Cut it out.
Yeah, live your life virtually through her.
Right. And they only want to watch soap opera and all kind of thing. And see people post all kind of fakeness. I don't want to bring it home to no husband and to no boyfriend and mash up on a nice little life you have. Because you want a man go run through rose field with hand in hand and skip. And the man, all kind of girl sitting that you bring to me. Because you know them Jamaican man and you know Caribbean man there. I kind of all sissy business this year bring to me. Eh? Where them sissy business there? You want to go skip by yourself. Yeah. You want to take big man for? Eh? Big man laid up in the house and watch TV. You want me and you go skip through rose field. To garden. You don't want me and you figure a botanical garden. Go skip through garden. Eh? How you take man for? Eh? You understand? Then you make a big deal out of it. Big deal.
Because him no want to do it.
Because no want to do it. And you know not sitting you used to. And because you see it on social media and you see it on TV, you want to implement it in your life. Eh? On a tap it. Tap it. You hear me? Me I keep it 100 with you. All you know is that now sugar coat the thing. 100 me I keep it. Maybe you wanna say ya. Wanna tell me if me wrong. No. Me I telling you the truth. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night, queens. If you just join me, good night. But I true me a talk, man. You understand? Wanna watch other people culture too much? And that no means that because you see them lay down on blanket with them like a basket with grapes in there and sandwich and yam. You no feel so that life perfect. You know, perfect, that's just something where them enjoy doing. You understand? Me enjoy if you go on a river, go chuck off. Why me can't go on a river and go chuck off? Why you can't look on that like love? If me and Mike well on and chuck off. You know what I mean? We jump off a big hill, run a river. No, that's not romantic. But you see white man do, in a park, lay down on him blanket. With them wine and grape and them one. And that you want, bring to me Jamaican man. And that you want, bring. Yeah, come honey. Let's go. Let's go in the park and spread blanket. Me no wrong him. Move fire with that. What? What fire with it? You want like a blanket we have, you want to go dirty it up and destroy it. Then couple weeks and now you're there on my case and go buy a new blanket. So
you bring it
out
put
there.
it outside in the dirt.
In the dirt because what? You see pan soap opera. You see pan Days of Our Lives. On a copy. On a copy. But anyways, people may not know if you see one picture when me post with Master Baker and Your Majesty in I'm sexy little Tommy Hilfiger. Wanna see it? With the Bringie. So everybody will watch Master Baker, knows a Master Baker have a relationship where she make up with Bringie as her man. Right? Cool. How about some of them idiot and scrupulous people? I go come in my inbox, come tell me say me a married woman. And me a loss of a Bringie. Listen to me. Me not married to one of them idiot man. Yeah? I do not marry to one of them dark, ignorant, idiot man. Yeah? Chocolate and Mike now have nothing to do with Bringie and Master Baker. Yeah? Because God knows. God knows. God knows. Mike has a Bringie. Yeah? On a toppy. Not because I don't see man bring it in a nice Tommy Hill figure and phone a man still aware gabardine drawers. On the left, me bring it alone. A Master Baker talk. Me not inside of me uniform, but me a Master Baker talk. On the left, yeah. There's nothing there to lust off. All them outer orderness there. On the nothing to do. On don't have nothing to do. On not say bring it a star. On don't say bring it a star. Bring it a star. Bring it in a nice Tommy Hill figure, drawers. I found a man still wear gabardine and polyester drawers. Bring it is well covered. Yeah. And I gotta tell my papa-in-law in need for create a dildo named Bringie. Because him have the audience that will buy it. Me not care who want to up angry face. I found a business. Nobody ain't telling if I have no tingle. While Master Baker have Bringie. On a too damn bad mind. On a bad mind Master Baker fit our Bringie. And I need for tappy. Don't bring chocolate and Mike in this. You hear? This a Master Baker man. Our man. And don't disturb Master Baker. When I say Master Baker, put out a portrait with she and her man.
Don't get Master Baker twisted, you know.
Yes. Master Baker was just saying hello from the other side. Yeah. That's what Master Baker did I say. Hello from the other side. I don't know if you get on the drawers all up in a bunch. No. Because I say bring it. Yeah. I don't know so bring it out nice and enough. I don't know. Don't eat. Oh, you know he's gay. Really?
Really?
Really? Then how when that happened? How could have caused that? Really? A Master Baker didn't know. Huh? Surprise. Oh, shocker. Oh. How are you say? Left Master Baker and her man Bringie
Alone.
She calling out to Bringie from the other side. Have manners. And stop come up in a chocolate inbox come talk bullshit. Chocolate don't marry to no dark baka wall man. Yeah. Chocolate don't marry to no ignorant fool. We're gonna get Bix of a gay man and a character. Yeah? I can't idiot man and the things I'm married to. Not fool. Huh? Master Baker is a character. And so is Bringie in a Master Baker kingdom. Yeah. And as long as Master Baker want call to her man over on the other side, that she shall do. Yes.
And that she will do.
And that she will do.
And continue.
Anytime she want. And she'll talk about her Bringie forever. Because Bringie is something to talk about. On a seat for herself. I want to marry them, no can seat. So I'm tap it. On a seat. That go on. Now because no man have tingle. All the more reason for no love Bringie. Yes. You understand? That's more reason for no love the Bringie. When I left Bringie alone. Master Baker will put on her uniform and come out and trace her off. She will come trace her for your Bringie. Stay out of my inbox when I say Master Baker do her thing. Stay out of my comment section. And Master Baker will grab it through her phone. Yes.
You know what Master Baker fancy about her Bringie?
In a nice Tommy Hill figure, well
Well relaxed.
Loving the aisle down and tucked away. Huh?
Well relaxed.
Well. Pose nicely for the camera and have the nerve of fast with Bringie. Dear honor, come interrupt chocolate about married woman. And you over here lusting after a gay man. Private part. Buff! Buff! I don't think I'm married to her. Fool? Eh? I said for you not tonight, you see. Think me did I read them? I said for you not. Me don't come out as Master Baker, you see. But me say, God, hold my mule. Hold my mule. I said, hold my mule. I said, hold my mule. Yes. Come down your company, you can tear it down tonight. You hear me?
A lust.
When I don't trouble, me bring it.
A lust over Master Baker man.
Yeah.
A lust
Let
over
me
Master
bring it.
Baker.
Lay it in him tummy, ill figure in peace. Yes. Imtannable. Yes. Stiffable. And buffable. Yeah. And you're not bother nobody. Allow him. Yes. Allow him. We're going to pattern him. Yes. Rank. After Master Baker wants to say hello from the other side. Now come up in a chocolate. What no bother me for? You see me out there? You did see me?
A she or a Master Baker?
The Master Baker, I say.
Master
What no bother
Baker.
me for? Master Baker now no inbox. Master Baker don't read messages.
Or reply.
I reply. You understand? So I don't know what no bother me for. But Master Baker. Allow me. Yes. Allow me. I'm a was. I want to have Lady V upon our live. No one tell Lady V sitting tonight. Yes. So Master Baker take portraits with that portrait with our man. And pussy.
Side and side.
Yes, I say hello to our man. Yeah? I found a man. Master Baker did a call to? No. And I feel no Bringie. A Master Baker Bringie. Yeah. Cause him just watch it. And wash it. And oil it. But a Master Baker own.
And massage it.
Yeah. Cause him just keep an eye on it for Master Baker. Cheese. That's all cousin do. Clean it down, shine it up, and lock it back up. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to call up his name. What cousin am I going to come to Master Baker? Because him can't do me nothing. Master Baker, this attack now. Do what? Do what? Master Baker will flower him. Remember me tell you? Master Baker will flower the boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then say Lady V.
Me love my papa-in-law them. Me love my papa-in-law them. You hear? So no, so when I no go up on my papa-in-law them page, it's a gay page. You're gonna see two men who love each other. Some of them don't want to go over there and shock for. Surprise!
Oh my God, they love each other.
Shocker. Yeah.
Wow.
That's how my papa-in-law them live. Yes.
Loving.
Yes. So when another talk about Master Baker, on a talk about my papa-in-law them. Yeah. Yeah. That's how the thing said. So the thing said. So Lady V, me know you will come back and watch the live here. Me just have a message to you, Lady V. Lady V, sometimes when we go, me driving at the city, Or sometimes I might be on a back road, you know, out here. And you can ask a lot of people that live out here in Atlanta. Well, if a time, you see, dirty mattress, fly off a truck, fly off a van, and people not even slow down. Oh, because we used to it. We see it all the time. Dirty mattress just fly off. And we just fly. All we do is try to move a car that way in a liquid. You understand? Nobody not really pay attention to one big old dirty mattress what fly off a truck out here. Because we see it all the time. Sometimes, garbage will all spill. You have people where I bring garbage in a them vehicle and it fly out. What we do? We just try to avoid the garbage and not make it touch with car.
Yeah.
Nobody not stop because of garbage. Nobody not stop because it's an old mattress. But you see, if you have an aisle spill now, because aisle is so valuable, then we shut down the whole inner state because of an aisle spill.
Money.
Because it's valuable.
Money falls out of the money truck.
Now, Lady V, I'm saying that to say this. I see the old mattresses coming at you. Direct your car out of it. Continue driving. Don't even look. That's my advice to you tonight, Lady V. When you see the garbage fly off of the truck, just move your vehicle so that you not even touch upon it. You understand? You understand? You not give the old mattress no attention. You not give the garbage no attention because there are no value to those. You understand? Yes, my sister. Yes, my queen. You say, I garbage. I just garbage that spill.
Keep it moving.
Them are going to come clean it up. America, yeah, over here in a no time, they will come clean it up. A mattress in a no time, they will move it. Yeah, Euro truck soon come get it. It's just an old mattress. Oh, okay. We just try to avoid it. That we not run over it. You know what I mean? Sometimes people will run over it. Depends how far out in a lane it get. You understand? And nobody not top if them run over it. Because it's just an old mattress. And nobody not stop if them run over some trash. It's just some trash. You understand? It's just some trash. It's just some trash. Just some trash. Spill. It's just some trash. Spill. I know you're intelligent enough to know where I'm coming from. That's what I love about you, because you're super intelligent. Yeah? Yes. So, just avoid the trash. Avoid the mattress. And keep on going. 85 miles an hour. You can do 92. But at the fast lane. You're in the fast lane. Yes? No, you're in the HOV lane. You're in the HOV lane. Stay in there. Stay in the HOV lane. And keep it moving. Yeah. Stay in the HOV lane. And keep it moving. Yes. Yes. Let me see what I say. Let me see what I say. Yes. Stay in the HOV lane and keep it moving. And you know, all the time we hear, you know, we need positivity on social media. Too much mix up, too much that. But guys, what you have to understand, that we can be keeping the peace, but you have these people that just take set on us. And at some point, because we're human beings, we're gonna break. No matter how strong you are, if you have people and them people continuously attack you, or them must send out them people because they don't want to be at the front anymore. That's what's going on now. You understand? They must send out them people.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something and forewarn you. You see, when cake season come and Master Baker come back out, me no want to say nothing to me. To Master Baker. Don't say nothing to Master Baker when cake season start. That's all me I say to you. Don't say nothing to her. If you don't want to watch her, don't watch her. Me tired of them. Me tired of them. Me tired of them. They love text head pan people that's not troubling them. They are alone for have opinion. Them alone for voice them opinion per anything them say. And you are not supposed to say anything.
You're not supposed
they want to bully you. Bully you so you lose your voice. Because why? Because them are going to come up under you. Them are going to class your body. Them are this and them are, they can class me from now till Jerusalem day. Me not looking. Me I do what me I do. When I want to respond, me do it in a Master Baker. And that's it. Drive them crazy because they want this back and forth business to make money.
They're not getting the response that they want.
They want a fight. That's what they want.
They want a war.
They want a war. They want to cut. They're jumping for everybody. And it's all about they're throwing stuff at the wall and to see what sticks.
Yeah.
So they mature and they well want somebody to retaliate. To keep this war going.
They throw out what they say. They throw out a fishing line to see who will take the bait.
Me not coming pan here, then could I talk what they want to talk till Jerusalem day. And not coming out pan here for prove nothing to nobody. Not a damn thing, whatever they want to talk and believe. I feed them damn business that. You hear me? Yes. But the devils are all over social media, running around again. They're just doing it in a different way, attacking people's inboxes, attacking people's live, reporting your live. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing now. And for the garbage we spill and the big old mattress we drop off of the truck, we not even look there, sir. Yeah? Because one thing, you know, people. One thing, I mean, I talk down about nobody. But one thing, when you have an illiterate person, you cannot argue with an illiterate person. You cannot. You cannot.
You can't.
You can't. You can't. Because they're never going to see your point. Never. They have no reasoning ability. That's it.
They have tunnel vision. They only see things one way.
Yes. So
they can't look outside the box.
Why would you even bother to waste your precious breath and your precious time and your good up words them where you pay attention and learn? Why you gonna do that? For what? What? For what? Why you gonna do that? When they're not even gonna comprehend it. Why you gonna do that for? Waste of time. Waste of time. You understand? The ego on people is mind-boggling. The ego that some of these people have, it's mind-boggling. Yes. The ego, the big talk, and nothing for back it.
Absolutely nothing. Can't defend it.
Absolutely nothing to back it. Empty barrels.
Crab in a barrel.
Empty barrels. I always hear them say empty barrels makes the most noise. Yeah, and it's absolutely true. Empty barrels. Yeah. Load.
And vulgar.
Load. And then just feel like say the big old dirty bad word and classing. Your point I gotta get across that way. And somebody I gotta be afraid. Come on, you grew up in a culture where you hear that all the damn time. You know what I'm saying? You hear that all the damn time. Why somebody I gotta shiver about that? And why me for waste my time on that? When me hear all the damn time. Just words. And the classing and the making up of stuff. Yeah? Me can't bother with that. Me come with the Master Baker now and make people laugh. Right? Make people laugh. That's what it's all about. Yes. Can't bother waste my time with them foolish people. Big up on herself. Big up. The lady from New York, that old trouble lady V. Oh yeah, they just targeting Lady V because whomever come out and speak about no, because I don't want to keep saying her name because you know them love to talk about say you can't say her name and let without getting view. But no who may I talk about. Once you come out and you talk positive about this person, you automatically become a target. You understand? So I don't know, me with me good up life. Me don't know why me don't want to come on here to get followers and yet I get these underprivileged people to attack me for followers. You know what I'm saying? So that just don't make no sense to me. If anything, you just sit down and be quiet because you don't understand. You guys don't understand the backlash you get. You don't understand the backlash you get once the people only see that you might gain followers and views once you mention our name. But people don't understand the messages that comes to us and come in our inbox. And the harassment that follows it. And nobody like our Lady V in our good up life, when I offered the pan you clearly can see that she's just out to help people because she have the education to do so. You understand? We're just out here for entertain and stuff like that. Now come and we put ourselves out here to get attacked. Basically. Who wants that? Who wants that? Nobody wants that. Nobody, me no know about me. Well, me can't speak for nobody else. But I didn't plan on that. Because where me come from was a good place. And that not gonna make me stop. You understand? That not gonna make me stop. And that not gonna change my mind from a person that I love and support and see good in and a person that does good. That not gonna make me stop. But I'm just saying, if you're out here for the wrong reason, you understand? Forget all them attack. If you're a coward, you just come off. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're a coward and a person we're easy for buckle under pressure, you come off. Because once you mention that person and them see say you really like that person and you're not back down, them not back down either. The attack is there. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. So it's not only when you're here, somebody might come out and cuss you over it. That's not the only part of it. You have the constant harassment in your inbox. Because I know that there are people probably trying to reach out to us and can't get through to us. That's because sometimes we don't even want to go in our inboxes.
True.
That's the level that's it's on, guys. Because you have to remember they have followers. So they send out them followers. You understand? And they're doing these things. Once you come out and support this lady, you become a target. And it's not for the faint of heart.
You have to be strong. You have to have broad shoulders. You can't let things get to you.
Right.
You can't.
Yeah. Yes. As long as you come out and you defend this lady, you are a target. You're not supposed to come out and say anything good about her. But they're supposed to get up and drag her all day, every day.
And nobody's supposed to say nothing about it.
And everybody should just turn a blind eye. Where them come from? Where them come from? Where them for? Where them for? They can load up. Sorry to the people them who can't get through to us, but they can continue to load up because me not gonna back down. Because me not come out here can do me not do nobody nothing. I came out here and based on what I've seen, I've spoken my truth. Yes, and I stood up for something that I thought was wrong and still think is wrong.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. And as long as them beat her down and I feel like talking about it, I am going to talk about it. So, uno go on bum rush way inbox says all uno want. That's full no problem.
Mm-hmm.
But that's why now they are on to Lady V. That's why. Hi, Cheryl Rose. Rose Green.
Congratulations,
Congratulations, Cheryl Rose Green. Your wedding was absolutely beautiful. And you were such a beautiful bride. Congratulations to you and your husband. May God bless your marriage. I am so happy for you.
Yes.
Guys, you gotta watch that wedding. If you haven't seen it, it's beautiful. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful wedding. Yes, and you rock the hell out of that dress. Yes, queen, you rock it. I'm going to post your picture, your video on my page. I'm going to block some dirty people because them not like to see people happy. Yes, I'm going to tell off some of them, then block them. You understand? Yes. Because they not like to see people happy. They not like to see good things.
Misery loves company.
Because for them life miserable.
Yeah, misery loves company.
Yes. Them ready to put on their comment and comment what kind of man and all kind of sinting. Disgusting. Disgusting. Pigs. Yes.
Block and cement that.
Yeah. Me have to block some of them. Nasty. Despicable. It's the woman wedding day and we want to do a tribute to her. Yet still you have some nasty, disgusting people run up in the comment. I have to sit down and watch that the comments to that video because I did not want this queen to go on to my page the night of our wedding and see some of these disgusting comments where some of them awful no-life people here took the time out of them gear. They couldn't just scroll past. Them feel like somebody want to hear them stupid ass opinion about someone else's life.
Enough for them life.
Go find yourself a man. Go find yourself a man. And left the woman and her husband. Go find yourself a man who will commit to you. Disgusting. Awful people. Such a beautiful occasion like that. Such a beautiful thing. People took the time out and want to show them nastiness under my video. What wrong with Uno? Everybody life Uno want turn miserable. Uno just it makes Uno feel good to see other people miserable. What kind of person are you?
Right. Misery loves company.
So if you not happy, nobody else can be happy. Huh?
Find yourself
and because for your marriage probably no work or relationship, nobody else's can. Who the hell on a think on is? It was so disgusting. I was there like a damn police in that post. Because I'm like, I don't want this queen to buck upon any of these comments under this thing, under this beautiful video that I did as for her, as we did for her. We tried everything to protect at least the wedding night. Crazy. Every minute I had to go back to that video, trying to go through the comments and make sure nothing awful isn't there. You see them people here walk around on social media and they're so disgusted. They walk around with all this garbage inside of them and they look somewhere to dump it out.
Yeah. They don't want to see anybody else happy. Them not happy, they can't stand to see anybody else happy.
Do you know this lady from? They don't know her.
They don't.
They just see her on social media. How are you gonna make prediction on her marriage and her life?
And assumptions.
And assumption. How the hell are you gonna do that? I'm telling you.
That's classless.
I didn't know that there was so many
class.
evil people out in the world till me come on social media, people. I'm not even kidding you. Me know there's evil out there. But me, boy, to witness it like this is something else. It's beyond me. How people can be so evil and cruel. And you don't know these people from nowhere. You don't know us from nowhere. You just might see us on here for an hour or two. That's all you know about us. You see that lady, she always sing and such a positive person. Yeah?
And she talks about her experiences and
Right, talk about her life. Who would not want to see her happy ending?
Right.
Who would not want to see...
She found her Prince Charming.
Who would not want to see an happy ending to a story like that? Who for hearts so dark? Who for hearts so black? Even if she hadn't had a story, why wouldn't you want to see another female be happy, even if you're not? They're not preventing you.
Right. She's not stopping. She's not stopping anybody from being happy.
How is she preventing you from being happy? Or preventing you from finding someone? She never takes somebody for you. And even if she takes somebody for you, she can't take him unless he want to be taken.
He has to be willing to go.
Yeah, so when I run up under the woman thing, and I say them awful stuff there. That's disgusting. That's why someone uno can never be happy. Because uno don't know how to be happy for somebody else. Uno don't know how to let go of it.
True.
It's like every night when I go and sleep, I just get a new dose of it. For people who don't even know, But want to come on social media and hurt them with words. Why? What kind of pleasure do you get out of that? So when she see it now and it hurt her feelings, how does that make your life better or make you happy? How does that change your life? If you're lonely, how is it you telling her that gonna bring someone to you to make you not lonely? How is that gonna impact your life in any way? Sick. It's sick. If I don't like somebody, me not go comment on them posts. If me not like somebody, me not go watch them, me not go comment on them posts. If me or somebody you not like, why you have to stop here for? Why you have to stop here when there are so many other platforms? Why you have to sit down and watch me for and you not like me? That don't make no sense to me. None whatsoever. Because no matter what you say under my comment, it's not going to change anything about my life.
True.
It is not going to change anything about my life.
She said it's her own sister doing it.
That's terrible.
Yeah, she said it's her own sister.
That's terrible. That is awful. And I hope she find peace. And I hope she find happiness. And I hope she finds somebody that she can call her own and somebody that look at her the way I saw your husband looked at you. Because those are things that I look at. Forget about all the glitz and glamour that was beautiful. I love the way he looked at you and you looked at him. Yes. Yeah. People are something.
Sad.
Something else. Sad.
Sad
Sad
life.
people.
Sad life.
Sad. Very sad. Yes, kings and queens. Those are the things that me come out here to address tonight. Yeah? Let me hear what I say. She dog me on social media. Yeah? She can't dog you, Cheryl. She cannot dog you.
You're a queen.
You're a queen. She dogs herself. When she come out and bark, she dog herself. Not you. Not you.
Envious.
Not you. You're not a dog. You cannot be dogged.
Nope.
Nobody can empty us. We're not water bottle.
Nope.
We are God, beautiful creation. No matter whether we're big, whether we're small. Yes? Whether we're tall, whether we're short. That's what we are.
Yep. He loves it.
I'm a queen.
I'm a queen.
That's what I am. So you can, it's not what people call you. It's what you answer to.
That's right.
You understand? Yes. My followers are queens and kings. That's it. That's it. And when you're a queen, you don't let peasant pull you down or pull you out. You put some crumbs on your table and you dust it off for them because they're peasant. That's what they are. Anybody will want to see you miserable. Anybody will want to come on social media, whether they're family or not, and talk bad about you. That's who they are. Peasants. Yes. Any woman that can't look at another woman and be happy for her or tell her that she's beautiful without trying desperately to find something wrong with her.
Without trying to tear her down.
There's nothing wrong with the woman that they're looking to find something wrong with. Something wrong with you.
Instead of trying to tear her down.
Any woman that can't get up and support another woman, there's something wrong with you.
Supposed to straighten another woman's crown.
There's something wrong with you.
You need to do some soul searching within yourself. Because there's something wrong with you.
Something wrong with you. Yes. Everybody have them days. Not everybody get up all the time and happy. Most of us women, we go through things in our lives. Some of us are fortunate enough to not to go through as much as other women have gone through. But most of us, we've been through heartbreaks some way or another. We struggle with things, whether it be financially, whether it be emotionally, physically. We all have struggles. And yet still, we're the first one to get up and try to beat down each other. We can never, some of us can never just try to straighten a sister crown. Why, when people are in bad position or people are struggling, it's easier to see and look at than when people are happy and trying to make a life or something like that? Why is that such a bad thing? Some women out there, you know, like I said, women, we struggle with so much things. From abuse, infertilities, you know, low self-esteem, all of that. And yet still, we are the quickest one for jump on another sister when we see them a progress or we see them happy. We try to look deep within to find something wrong, because we can't just take it for what it is and say, you know, that's beautiful, that's nice. We have to dig and dig, you know.
And some won't stop until they find at least a little thing that they can try and turn it bigger.
We have to do better as women. We have to do better as women. Ladies, my queens, teach your daughters. If you have young daughters, teach them from now, so they don't grow up
to be like
you know, like what we're seeing out here now on social media with some of these female. Nobody can be honest because you're not honest. Ain't that something? Nobody can't be honest because if it was you, you wouldn't be honest. So God dang it, that person can't be honest.
Right.
Because everybody me know a thief. So that is somebody there, a thief, even though me don't know her, or even though me don't know him. They must thief because everybody me around a thief. And if I did me that thiefy. So she can't be honest. There's no possible way she can be honest.
Crazy.
Sad. Very sad.
Very sad.
Very sad. Yeah. Quicker than, you know, when we started out, everybody, well, not everybody, a lot of people thought this was Vanilla's house. Why? Because I'm a black woman. And a black woman shouldn't sit up in a mansion. Why? Why? Men have arms. Men have a brain. Why? You know how much time people used to comment?
They assumed.
Say, Vanilla, why do you see her superior to me? Why? Can you tell me? Why she's superior to me, that it has to be her house? That she's the one who's more financially stable.
Is it because of the color of my skin?
The color of her skin.
That has to
because some of you are still not emancipated.
From mental slavery.
From mental slavery. I don't see her any better than me.
And I will
never
see
her better than me.
Nope.
I will never see anyone better than me. I'm not better than anyone, and no one is better than me.
We're all equal.
And no one can let me ever believe that. Yeah? No one can make you feel inferior without your permission. And I will never give anyone that permission to feel like they are better than me.
Sure.
Yes. Why? Why it has to be Vanilla House? Are you insane? Why? Because my name company, you can show off, say for me, and say, look at it, look at it, look at me, and I always stay so. Because I don't come out here with my bank account and say, look what I have, and I always stay so. And I will never do them things there. Never.
Me either.
I will not get off on stuff like those. Yeah, we don't. And we're not impressed by stuff like those. We impress with how you treat people. With the art where you have. That's what let me fall in love with my auntie, our art.
Yep.
We need to do better. 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 When me not eat a vanilla house, when me a clean, oh, you're clean because you want to show your house. So how me go rotted clean without showing my house?
Right.
If me not outside a clean and me a clean in my house, and I'm not sure. Eh? Them they are the ridiculous, stupid ass comments where people come and make.
Oh, then remember them say if it wasn't my house or somebody from your home.
Right.
That too.
And if you think me don't go in my drawer, go pull out my deed and bring it out here. And my house title, come show now and have a next thing coming. Yeah?
Not happen.
Me from me starter in here, no see me. 16 years now me own this. Brand new. No other own about me. But if you don't think me I go bring out paperwork come show no. You can think all you want to think. Yeah. Because I know who I am. And a house make me. And a cars make me. And my bank account make me. Is who I am as a person. How I treat people. What I stand up for. That's what makes Chocolate who she is. Yes, people like nice things. I'm not going front. I like nice things. I like comfort. Yes. But I'm not going to dog somebody if them can't make me comfortable. Because I remember, always remember where I come from. I remember barefoot. I remember hungry. I remember pit toilet.
You remember where you're coming from.
Remember where I come from. So I'm going to find pleasure in bragging about where I'm at. I am thankful and grateful. And anything I want, I work towards it. I don't grudge nobody for anything they have. Because when I didn't have anything, I still wasn't bad mind.
I don't either.
I knew that if I work hard for it,
you'll get it.
I'll get it. And if when I get it, God don't want me to have it. Because I never, ever want to lose who I am because of material things. I want to be able for anybody at any level to be able to talk to me and I can understand and don't lose touch of where they're coming from. From the baby go up. From the poor go up. I don't ever want to lose that. That I can't relate to people. Because I'm from where it didn't feel good. And now because I'm where it feels good, it don't mean I have to forget what didn't feel good.
No matter what you have to, you still have to remain humble.
And this is from my heart tonight. That is who I am. I don't like people because of the category that they're in. So anybody feel like I'm gonna like somebody based on financial, based on your category financially, or based on the color of your skin, or based on what society classify as beautiful, as pretty, that's not me.
Nope.
You could have millions, and if you're not a good person, I don't want to have anything to do with you.
True.
And you could have nothing, but you're a wonderful person. And I want to have everything to do with you. Straight up. And I'll never be on here and let that change. I would never change that. Never. I'm never going to change that about myself. And anybody who's going to come around me have to accept that. Because I don't care who you are. If somebody come up to me and I don't care how they look, I'm not too good to talk to them.
Me either.
I will never shun them because I'm in a certain company. Never.
Or live the way you live.
Never. I treat the person who take out the trash in the office the same way me treat the surgeon and the doctor them. I always have conversation with the people who clean the office all the time. I want to hear their story. A lot of them, they're doing 2 jobs. They're in school and they're doing 2 jobs. They're from another country. And I always want to hear most of them working for their family to send back home from Mexico. Yeah, always talk to them. Never act like because they're cleaning, I'm better than them.
Nope. Talk to the person who delivers the mail, who takes out the trash.
They deserve to be happy to be a human being.
Who is
That's
the
what we have in
highest
common.
position within an organization, the same.
That's what we
all
have in common.
Human.
We are human beings. And that's all we need to know.
We're all flesh. And no one is better than anybody else.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support from you guys. We appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
And because of you guys, that's why sometimes we're like, you know, we have to go on. We got to go on. Because, you know, some of you reach out to us. Talk with them, Vanilla, now come on.
Vanilla, come on tonight.
Come on. You know what I'm saying? Because of you guys fuel us to continue doing this. To be honest. Because sometimes we get discouraged. We do. We're human beings. Like, is it worth it? You know? So thank you guys so much for the support. And for coming on and watching us.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, and for everybody that sent us love.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for those who have sent us stars. We don't always see it, but, you know, most of the time we don't see it until after.
Until after, that's true. It's not that we're ignoring
No.
it. Thank everybody that ever sent us stars. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for everybody that sent us love. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Everything. Just thank you, queens. Thank you, kings. Just thank you.
Thank you for being you.
Just thank you for your support. And we will always stand up for truth.
Yes.
And for people who are doing good. And I'll always be proud of my people. Because I know where we're coming from. I know our history. And when your success is my success. Your happiness is my happiness. Your pain is my pain. And I wish I could stop the pain for people. Unfortunately, I can't do it for everybody, but I try my best.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. I love you guys.
Love you guys.
And there's
Appreciate
nothing you can do about it. Good night.
Then I said we need to come to the awards.
Who?
We'll be there.
Who said that?
Angel.
We will be there.
We will be there.
Angel. We will be in Canada at the awards.
Yeah.
Yes. As a matter of fact, Vanilla dress came today. for the award, yeah. She no wait. she no wait. She's excited, you know, so that's
excited to
fine,
go
yeah.
support Auntie Donna. We are excited to go support Auntie Donna.
Absolutely. She said, Jesus Christ. She said, Lord God.
Yeah, my shoes too.
She got everything. That's vanilla. I told you guys about vanilla already. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised.
Vacation is coming. I make sure, okay, this is when we're going. Okay, let me start buy stuff now.
Yeah, that's vanilla for you. But thank you guys so much, and I'm looking forward to meet all of you guys that we can, you know, that will be there.
Yes.
So we will be in Canada to support our beautiful auntie,
Absolutely.
of course, and to represent our queens all over the world and Jamaica. Big up, all right? Yes. Yes. I'm going to meet Bringie, Papa-in-law. Papa-in-laws.
Yes.
Yes. Let me bring it Papa-in-laws.
Love back to you, Vancouver.
Enough love back to you guys. Love
It's
you
like
guys.
Canada no good again.
You know, good again.
Canada will turn up.
All right, so now make sure, turn it up, turn it up. I love you guys. Good night, all right?
Love
Good
you guys.
night. Love you all. If I didn't shout you all out, Angel Fisher. I know, let's see, let's big up some people before we come off now. Andreen, Sam, good night. Good night. Gillette Davis, good night, Rosalind,
Gillette.
Yes.
Let me say we have to host a meet and greet.
Oh, yes, we definitely have to. Shauna, big up yourself.
Luciana, big up. Angel, Rosalind.
Young, big up yourself. Charmaine, big up.
Tarsia,
big up yourself. Althea Barrett, big up yourself. Queen, big up yourself.
Rosalind.
Yes.
Valerie.
Good night. Good night. Novelet, good night. Good evening. Big up. Big up y'all beautiful self. Take care of yourself, guys. See you on the weekend, all right? Love you guys again. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Audra, big up yourself.
Right? Good night.
Good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.